Kāore nei iwi taketake e tūohu ana ki ngā take āhuarangi.
I think we don't know when an event's going to come and we need to be prepared for that.
Hei iwi whakahaere o te wānanga UN Adaptation Futures, ka tiro whakamua a Ngāi Tahu ki te rangona i ngā aronga o ngā iwi taketake o te ao.
If you work in the adaptation or climate space internationally, it's a really busy landscape, and a lot of times Indigenous peoples are sort of the add-on into that landscape, or you know, they're certainly not in the front leading, and that needs investment and it needs climate finance, and that's an area where there's a real weakness.
Nō tēnei wiki, e whakakotahi ana ngā tāngata e kotahi mano e ruarau no ngā motu e iwa te kau. Ko Lisa Tūmaha i te kai whakahaere o te iwi o Ngāi Tahu i te wā i whakatūria ai e te iwi te kounga pāpārangi, he mahere take āhuarangi. A ko ia te kai whakataki o te rā tuatahi o tēnei hui, ko tāna e hara i te mea kua pai ake te taiao i enei wā atu i mua.
While we're very aware as an iwi, our action is too slow. And we looked at a 50-year projection, is that, you know, Ngāi Tahu, Canterbury will be a bit of a tinderbox. It will be drier, it will be hotter, it will be more prone to fires. And we've got more than 18 villages, but I've just sort of shrinking it down. 16 of those are coastal. And so they're all going to be impacted by that coastal erosion, sea level rise. And believe it or not, the west coast is actually going to get more rain.
Ko te tau 2020 mawha te tau wera rawa atu a koinei hoki te tau tuatahi i piki ai te pai mahana o te ao ki runga ake i te kotahi pai mahana i tua atu i ngā taumata o mua i te ahumahi. Ko tā te heamana o te pautake āhuarangi a Marama Royal, he take nui mo te katoa.
Connect our knowledge with Western science and act together at the scale the world now requires.
For me, it is really about my mokopuna and those generations that I'll never get to meet having a future. It's as simple as that. I want them to look back at me as their nan and say, gee, Nan, you did a great job, not, Nan, what the heck were you thinking? So, you know, it really is about them.
Nā, he maha ngā akoranga kei mua i te wiki nei.
It's a global issue, it's not just an Aotearoa issue, it belongs, it is a global matter, but also about collaboration and actually how can we pull from each other's kite of mātauranga and come up with some really good solutions.
We're talking about something completely different, which is Indigenous owned, Indigenous led, and we'll identify the things that we want to be investing in.
Nō reira, kaore a Ngāi Tahu e me meha ana i ngā take taiao, a e tūmanako ana kia kohi e tahi mā tauranga taketake i te wiki kei te tūmai hei āwhina i te urupare ki te panonitanga āhuarangi. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.